to our update. All right, if you have not hit the subscription button, kindly do that, like, and then also share the video. Thank you. So we we have now, our update is working perfectly. So when we change this to any name like this, you can now see that when we refresh the browser, you can now see that the first name and all that is working. When we change the nationality to national ID, you can now see that when we refresh the browser, everything is working perfectly. But we don't want to refresh the browser before this these changes take effect over here. So let's go back and make that change. So go to your use effects. Let's go back to use effect. Okay, and then whatever that is coming from the backend, which is the post. Okay, let's bring it here to where this array is, empty array is, and put it there. That's all. So when you come here now, whenever we make a change to update, you can now see that without refreshing the browser, it has changed over here. All right, if you can't see it clear, let me make another one, and you can now see that all the changes is working. And not only that, but let's change any of them. So let's make this, and let's make this. So you can now see that everything is working as we want, as we wish. All right, so right now, we after the table. So after the table is updated, right, we want to display the status of that update over here. So go back to React. All right, and then you see alert. All right, and then select the one that you think you are okay with. All right, and I will select this. All right, there are a lot of them over there, which you can select any one of your choice, right? Let's see. Okay, so let me select this. Let me paste it here. Where should I post it? Okay, let me select this box over here. Post it over here, and change and take out all this. All right, and then select that. Should I select this? Let's okay. No, let me select this for now. Okay, and let me paste it here. All right, and then now let's go back to our browser, and I think it will give us error because we've not imported it. Okay, so let's import the alert. All right, and I think now everything is so. This is our status. The notification is now here. Now let's take out this, and we want to bring whatever thing that's after we run the update. All right, the status from the status. Okay, so after we run the update, we said the status should be success, and whatever that is coming from here as successfully updated. Okay, all right. So when we say successful, this successful here will now be picked. Let's pass it here, okay, as the name success, and the session is now going to pick this status here. Okay, so this session will now pick the status of weights here over here. So we have just given the name that will be passed to the front end, right, as success. So let's come here and then pass it over here, here as success. All right, and then we will now bring it down here as success, right, like this. And then you can now see that when because we've not run any update, is giving us empty. So let's run one update over here and let's see. Wow, so you can now see that the voters ID is working, and then it is successfully updated. All right, so what we don't want is that when there is no any update, this thing continue to show. All right, so what we can do is that let's copy the same thing over here, put it at the back here, and then let's say that okay, so if it is success, then we should display something like this. All right, so let's copy it, whatever that is here, and then let's put it there. All right, so now let's go back and voila, you can see that it is gone. But the moment we run another update, you can see that it's now showing the status successfully, right? So what again, um, um let's bring the box, or okay, um, um let's run it this way, let's see now. Okay, so guys, let's maintain it this way, and then yeah, so guys, okay, so let's take this success out from the demo. So let's come to the demo over here, let's take this out, and then let's also take this out from here, and then let's go back to this and take this out from here, and now everything is perfectly. Now let's run our last one, and then you can now see that it's working perfectly. So guys, play with it, and then in our next video we'll look at how to add the delete button and how to delete each row. All right, if you have any comment, if you have any suggestion, anything that you think I should improve upon, kindly put it at the comment section, and kindly hit the subscription button, the bell icon over there, like, and also share. Thank you.